Now let us take one example. An NGO working for welfare of cancer patients maintain its records as follows. Now age of patients in years given here. So 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 like this. And number of patients are given for each group. We have to find the mode here. Now first step is we have to decide the model class. Now observe the given observations. Now here 315 is the bigger number. So this class is the model class which has the maximum frequency here. So here model class is 20 to 40. Now let us find the next values, that is L is equal to lower limit of the model class. So here 20 is the lower limit of the model class. Now next is class size, that is value of H. Here class size you can observe that is 20 because the difference between the lower limit and upper limit is 20. 20 minus 0 is 20, 40 minus 20 is 20, 60 minus 40 is 20. So class size is 20 here. Now next F1. We know that F1 is the frequency of the model class. So F1 is 315 here. Now F0 is the frequency of the class preceding to the model class. So F0 is 35 here and F2 is 120. Now we have the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now put the values in the formula. So L is 20 plus F1 is 315 minus F0 is 120. Now next 2F1, that is 2 into 315 minus 120 minus F2 is, here not 120, F0 is 35. Here also comes 35 and here minus 120 into H is 20. Now calculate this. Keep this 20 as it is. Now solve this bracket first. So here 315 minus 35 divided by this 2 into 315 minus 35 minus 120 we will get as 475 into this 20. So it becomes 20 plus. Now this value gives 280. This subtraction is 280 divided by this 475 into 20. So 20 plus. This calculation gives us 11.79. So this addition is 31.79. So here the average age of maximum number of patient is 31.79. So this is our mode of the given data. Now let us see the question number 2. If mode of the following series is 54, then find the value of f. The class intervals are given here and corresponding frequencies are given. Now here one frequency is missing, that value we have to find here. We know that the first step is deciding the model class. But here one frequency is missing, so we can't say any number is maximum here. So we can't decide the maximum frequency here. Then how to decide the model class? Now see here the mode is given of the given data. It is 54. Now 54, this number fit in this class, that is 45 to 60. So this 45 to 60 is the model class here. So when the one frequency is missing, how to decide the model class you understood now. So see the given mode fitting in which class, that is your model class. Now obviously this is your F1, that is frequency of the model class. This is your F0 and this is your F2. Now write down all the values. That is model class is 45 to 60. Then lower limit of the model class is 45. Class width is 15 here. You can observe here, that is the difference between lower limit and upper limit. 15 minus 0 is 15. 30 minus 15 is 15. So class width is 15. Then F1 is equal to 16. F0 is F here and F2 is 12 here. Now we have the formula, that is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied with H. Now put the values in the formula. L is 45 plus F1 16 minus F0 F. Then 2 into F1, that is 2 into 16 minus F minus 12 here. And H is 50. Now we know that mode is given, that is 54. So 54 is equal to 45 plus this 16 minus F, keep as it is. Then this 16 into 2 is 32 minus F minus 12 into 15. Now this 54 minus 45. So because we are taking this 45 on this side, so 54 minus 45 is 9. Now this denominator you can take on this side, so 9 into bracket. Now 32 minus 12 is 20 minus this F is equal to this 16 minus F remains into this 15. Now multiply inside the bracket. So here 180, 20 into 9 minus 9F is equal to 15 into 16 is 240 minus 15F. Now take the terms with F on one side. So 15F minus 9F is equal to 240 minus 180. So this gives 6F is equal to 10. Sorry, 6F is equal to 60 and therefore F is equal to 10. So the missing frequency is 10 here. That means the required value of F is 10 and